Today in Canva, I'm going to show you how to do gradient text, and this is super fun that you can add to videos or your email signature, different things like that. So we are going to jump right in. First thing we're going to do is go to Elements, and then we're going to type in Gradient. Then select Graphics, and this first one here that you see here in the middle, top middle, you can see that there's two different color options. So this is great because you can select your own color. So if you have brand colors that you want to do, then you can do that as well, and it's going to change them, and you can see the different color variations, and you can choose any color that you want. This is really pretty here where I can see different red and green, or if I want it a little bit more gradual, going to white to dark, that's really pretty as well. So we can change the colors here, which is awesome. You can also go and change any color that you want this way through the little slider. So let's do that. I like that. That's really pretty. Okay, then what we're going to do is we are going to just make this the entire size of the image. And if you want, you can also flip it. So if we want the green on that side, we can also flip vertical, and we can also rotate it. So if we wanted to kind of do that where it's a little bit more on top, or if we want the green to be on the bottom, anything like that. So let's do this. And then what we're going to do is add a text box. So if you want, you can just click T and it's going to add your text box. Then what I'm going to do is type in what you want. So we're going to do Kelly Ann Smith, which is my name here. Then we can choose our font. So we can do something like that, that's pretty, or we can do apricots. I like apricots, that's one of my favorite fonts here. So what we're gonna do is get this where we want. So I want it centered here, and you wanna position it to where you want, the different colors on your name. Then we're going to change this, the whole font, to white, okay? Then there's a couple steps here. So then what we're going to do is go to this little three dots here and go to the transparency. And we're going to bring transparency down to about 43%. I found that 43% is about the happy spot. Then what we're going to do is going to click share, go down to download. Then you're going to hit transparent background and select the page that you want. So we're going to select, we have to deselect the other ones. And then we're going to select 4. Then we're going to hit done, and it's going to download it for us. Okay, then what we're going to do is I'm going to duplicate this page and clear everything out so we have a blank slate here. Okay, then what we're going to do is add in what we had to our image. So we're going to add our image in. Then we're going to select it, go to Edit Image, and go to Background Remover. And ta-da! Here is it in gradient. So we have the green, then we go to the purple as well. So this is really easy to do. Now you can download this with transparent background. And we're going to go to page 5. And hit done. Now if I wanted to add this to, let's see, here's my final cut. Say I wanted to add this to my video. Here it is, and you can see the image behind it, so I could do it as a lower third, or if I wanted to say something like subscribe below or comment below, something like that, then I could do that as well. So that's a really funny face that I'm making, but that is, let me bring the volume down on this so you can see it playing. And there it is there, which is awesome. Or you can add this to an email signature or a blog, anything like that.